Hi there, guys. So today I'm going to show you this Neptune's Harvest organic crab and lobster shell plant food, 530. And yes, it's exactly what it sounds like, seafood for your soil. Tomatoes just love this for a couple reasons. First, it adds calcium, which tomatoes really appreciate as they're growing and setting up their fruit. And this is a slow release plant food, so it doesn't feel like a quick hit that disappears. It keeps feeding as it breaks down in the soil. It's nice and slow. Second, it's made from shell meal, which contains chitin. Chitin helps support the beneficial microbes in your soil. And when your soil life is thriving, your plants tend to look stronger and more consistent. I always say, the real magic in a garden starts under the surface, right at the roots. Here's the best way to use it. I sprinkle it in a ring around the plant, a few inches around the stem, and then I take a little hand rake or I use my fingers and I scratch it in right into the top inch or two of the soil. That little step matters because it helps it start working faster, and then I water it like normal. Even my hydrangeas like it, you can see. But I only use it for my white hydrangeas, not the colored ones. I use something else on the colored ones. And one more tip, this is a great base layer fertilizer. You can use it in raised beds, in-ground gardens, and even containers. Just don't pile it on in one spot. Spread it out so the roots can find it over time. It comes in a resealable bag, which is awesome. It's easy to store, and it's a simple way to keep your tomato routine steady without overcomplicating things. Consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.